Nokia's phones were the kings of the times, when there were black and white phones. But after missing for a few years, now Nokia is going to launch its new, and explosive 5G smartphone. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a 200 megapixel DSLR camera, with strong battery backup of 7000 mAh, that too at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Nokia R99 Pro 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia R99 Pro 5G. In this Nokia smartphone, you are going to get 6.75 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. Along with this, it has been equipped with features like 120 Hz refresh rate, 506 ppi density, and 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from this, it will also have in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating. Processor. The biggest feature of this smartphone is the processor. In this you are going to get a great chipset, of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Android 15 in it. Not only this, Adreno 730 graphic card has also been installed in this phone. This will help you in playing games and multitasking. Camera setup. In today's era, camera quality has become the criterion for buying a smartphone. You are going to get quad camera setup in this Nokia phone, whose primary camera is 200 megapixels. Apart from this, it is going to have 3 others camera setup. Other side, a 64 megapixel camera has been provided on the front side of the smartphone, for taking selfies and video calling. Battery backup. To provide power to this 5G smartphone of Nokia, a 7000 mAh strong and powerful battery has been installed, which you will be able to fully charge in a few minutes, through 100 watt fast charging, with Type-C charging socket. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, its estimated price is said to be around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, then it can be introduced in the end of 2025.